Hello, everyone, and welcome to another week of our Websea walkthrough. And this week, we'll be just going through our Websea and discussing the futures, like new listing and also the Yongying Fund weekend price poll. And then we'll just talk a little on the recent futures we have on the platform. As you all know, Websea has been, scaling and cutting across regional reach. We recently launched in Turkey with an N program of up to 18.7 APYs on your stablecoin. And of course, those in Turkey should be utilizing this opportunity. You can find it under the N section. On the N section, you'll be able to see this rewards. That's under the flexible and up to 16.7% on the flexible end if you have USDT. All right, so this week we'll talk about the Yongying Fund weekend price poll. Yep. So under the Yongying Fund weekend price poll is a lottery, lottery for those who have subscribed for the Yongying Funds. And this lottery happens every 1600 1600 UTC. So on Sundays, so every Sunday 1600 UTC, you'll be able to participate in this event and you'll be able to get some winning prize over the weekend. Also, Websea also launched listed the FOGO. If you're conversant with Webster listing, we've listed about 3 tokens for this year, and FOGO is not left out. So FOGO token is currently listed, as we can see here, and it's currently traded on the Websea Futures. So if you're on Websea Futures, you should be able to grab this and see what you can do with it. Currently, the price is going down. But I also see great opportunities right here. Like we have here, like if you can see on this chart here, when the price get to this point, that was on the 15th of January, the fair value gap between this point here and also this point really pushed the market upwards. So we're having similar action here. Let me zoom out. Yep. Zoom out. Let's zoom out and see. So we have similar option here. There's also a fair value gap here. So if you're a trader and you know more about the fair value gap, you'll see that there are opportunities around this region here. See, we broke through this fair value gap, although we're still within this region. The token trying to pump, but came back to this region and still we are still within that region of the fair value gap, but very low. So there could be potential upward trends. If you can, do some analysis about that and also check more on that, it could be a great opportunity for you trading this token on Websea. And in general, we have the Websea Academy. If you're new to Websea, if you're new to a beginner in Web3, beginner in crypto trading, Websea also have this college academic Websea College where you can learn the fundamentals of blockchain, Bitcoin, trading strategies and setup. Like I was saying about the FVG, so you can learn more about it here. So even the Yongying Fund here, you can learn about the Yongying Fund. If I'm going to click this, these are straightforward articles in detail. So what this one asks is pretty simple. What is Yongying Fund? And you'll be able to get a quick definition of Yongying Fund, which is a flagship of wealth management product. It employs three tiers mechanism to protect return acceleration and increase ecosystem deflation. All right, so more on this on our academic session is live, and you can learn anything on Websea products, without any hurdles. We have all these Websea products live for you, from KYC, how to sign up, and how to download our app as well. So, it's very simplified. We also have Classroom. Now, Classroom is where you learn about more on this token funding rate. If you traded futures, you always say that there will be funding rate deducted in your trades if it cross a certain time or a certain period of time. We have breakdowns, we have explorations. So talk about meme, how are meme coins valuable, and how do you participate in meme coins? So if you're very new, and also this one is pretty very interesting, which is the prediction market. This was published about this week. That was on the 12th day of January this year, to mention about the prediction market, explained how the market price how market price uncertainty. So if you've not heard of prediction markets, here is the best place for you to jump right in and also learn more about all this. So all these are always available right at your fingertips. So you don't want to miss out on any of these on the Websea platform. Um, that's pretty that. And don't forget, we also have our reward center where you can, of course, claim rewards. You don't want to miss this for anything. So every day you can check in and get some points which you can redeem at the end of 7 consecutive days. So all you just need to do, you don't have to miss out on anything. So when you sign up, you get 20 points. When you make your first trade of cumulative volume, so just have to cover a cumulative volume. Simply means you trade today, trade tomorrow, and once it reaches 200 in volume, you get 30 points. And also make your first future trade of complete a future trade with a volume of 10,000, you get 1,000 points. Don't be surprised, this point you can use to redeem, you can use to redeem future bonus and some other events like newcomer, deposit, and also trade, which you can use to redeem the WS token as well. So, be sure to join this, and also do follow us on our S page and also on Telegram if you have any questions or doubts. We'll see you again in our next section. Bye for now.